Hello, here's the One Team Working COVID-19 update for today, Good Friday, the 10th of April. So as usual, here's the link to our YouTube channel. Please do have a look at it, subscribe to it. We are reporting from the social care frontline daily. It's our daily diary. Sharing all the footage that's coming through from the home. So thank you so much for sending everything through. We're trying to use as much of it as possible. Obviously, it takes a little bit of time for us to edit and to put through. So please don't be discouraged if we haven't used something you sent through. And do just keep it coming and keep sharing. Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn. Yeah, just keep sharing and subscribe, please. Yeah, I hope you're enjoying it. I know a lot of families are feeding back saying they're really appreciating just being connected in this way. So yeah, it's really great. So thank you so much. Some frequently asked questions coming through. So there was one around testing kits and when they'll be available for staff in our services. There are 3 drive-through testing centres in Lincolnshire, but they are by appointment only at the moment and being prioritised for NHS workers. They are considering testing for social care settings like ours, which is going to be based on the number of staff who are isolating due to either themselves or someone in their household having symptoms. Despite the situation, our absence is low, so we're unlikely to be seen as a priority, but we will keep you updated on this and any changes that happen. We had a question around staff who don't drive and need to use public transport, especially over the bank holiday weekend. It might be reduced and how we might be able to overcome this. So some homes do have car sharing arrangements in place, so we do encourage you to have a chat with your manager or do phone or email the resources team, and they'll be able to identify or support you to have these conversations around car sharing. Do check around insurance and things like that as well, though, if you are car sharing. We had a question around whether it's possible to get specific things in terms of specific brands through the food and drink orders that we're putting through and deliveries we're getting to the homes. Please do complete the food questionnaires for any specifics such as this, and we'll attempt to deliver it for you. But it's really important that you complete those food questionnaires so that we can identify those brands and get them to you. So we've got a project. We are in need of rainbows for the windows at the Social Care Exchange. We want to keep spreading that positive message, and Doddington Road, as anyone passes, it would be lovely for them to be able to see the lovely rainbows in the window. So we are looking for artwork from the individuals we support, but also hoping, any staff who might have children at home or nieces and nephews and friends and neighbours, if you could get them to help us with this project, that would be fabulous. Also, if you'd like to film your child, maybe doing the artwork or giving us a little message with their rainbow, it would be great for us to be able to make a little film about it for our YouTube channel as well. So yeah, please do, if you'd be happy to do that, send it through to us. With the rainbows for the Social Care Exchange, if you give them to your locality manager, they'll be able to get them through to us as well. But yeah, that would be lovely. Thank you. Okay, there's a guide here to PPE. The most recent government guidance on PPE confirms single-use disposable gloves, aprons and surgical masks should be worn for these 2 reasons. Good practice also includes positioning yourself to the side rather than directly in front of someone, using the wizard water to sanitize areas, washing and sanitizing your hands, following the removal of PPE. Also, eye and face protection should be worn based on individual risk assessment, and masks should be replaced when they've been worn for 30 minutes because they become damp with breathing and they do start to lose their effectiveness. The effectiveness of the masks also depend on them being used correctly, and there is a wiki for this in terms of guidance on putting them on and taking them off, so do have a look and please do refer to the wiki for anything relating to PPE. If you do have any concerns or any worries, please do ring our absence line. There is number 2 in the absence line for support and queries, and someone will be there to answer your queries and give you that support. And the second page here is just full of lovely photos, so it's really great to see all of the smiles and the activities, different things happening in the homes, getting involved in food preparation, games going on, enjoying the gardens and the weather. The weather's been fabulous. It's really, really nice to be able to get outside, going for walks into the community, sending messages back to family, which is really lovely, which I'm sure they really appreciate as well. And just in general, enjoying life, lots of baking going on, lots of chocolate for Easter, which is fabulous. So yeah, it's lovely to see the photos. Thank you so much for sending them through, and please do keep them coming. So enjoy your Good Friday, everybody, and I'll see you tomorrow. Take care.